Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today we're diving into the world of shipping, a crucial but often frustrating part of running an online business. If you're tired of dealing with multiple carriers, confusing rates, and endless paperwork, then you might want to check out Easyship. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm here to share my experience in this Easyship software review. So, what is Easyship? Easyship is a shipping software platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It essentially acts as a one-stop shop for all your shipping needs. Easyship offers a comprehensive solution for saving money and streamlining shipping processes. By comparing rates from multiple carriers and providing negotiated deals, users can significantly cut shipping costs. The platform's user-friendly interface simplifies tasks like creating shipments and tracking packages, while seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms automate order information management. With access to multiple carriers and streamlined documentation for international shipping, Easyship ensures flexibility and reduces paperwork hassles. Real-time tracking and detailed reports empower users to monitor shipping performance and optimize their processes effectively. If you're an e-commerce business owner who wants to save money on shipping, streamline your fulfillment process, and take the hassle out of international shipping, then Easyship is definitely worth considering. All right, if you're interested in know more about Easyship and how it can help your business, there's a link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on running a simple and successful online business.